1956 Sunset Coral Pink Thunderbird, a professional restoration. Her data plate code is Y for the color. The odometer reads 00088 odometer miles. She has the 312 Thunderbird 4-barrel Special V8. She is the P series, P as in Paul. She's a Ford-O-Matic 3-speed automatic transmission with the Ford Masterguide power steering. Both tops consist of a fresh Hartz cloth canvas replacement convertible top plus a new Raven black tonneau top. She has the Thunderbird Special Am-Fm Stereo with dual speakers equipped with iPad, iPhone capabilities, allowing you to play your music from your iPhone with the adapter included. She's got all new tinted glass with the door glass with the Ford-Moco etching and all installed in Mentor's Thunderbird restoration facility. She's got 5 real Thunderbird wire wheels and Radial wide white wall tires. She's got new PPG 1956 Sunset Coral Urethane Enamel with multiple coats of clear, and it's been color sanded and buffed to take to show levels. New show chrome throughout the car, a new black and white interior with the proper embossments, all installed in Mentor's Thunderbird restoration facility. One of the most desirable and outstanding colors of all 56 T-Birds, and this little car is quite beautiful all over.